Disclosure. Do you know the platform I made my first 1 million? Apologies. So AI doesn't know the first platform I made my first 1 million. Welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about how you set up your profile in order to make your million. In order to make more money online, just work from home. No matter whatever you do, it's not compulsory that you be a developer, like a software engineer or a digital marketer before you make your first a million. So it's quite simple. So what's the name of today? So just stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys to more of practical step by step of how you set up your profile professionally and how you choose the best field or the best category for you to make money. So the name of the platform is Upwork. I know you guys might feel somehow. So I know, yes, Upwork. So people have been trying Upwork. Maybe Upwork has not been working out for them, or maybe Upwork has been working most times. So it all depends on the way you plan, the way you structure your profile. That's it. So now we are gonna use Joshua B as an example. So Joshua B is highest rated SQL Server DB expert. So the guy has earned over $800,000 from Upwork. So now today we just want to structure our profile. First of all, before we structure our profile, if you are new to Upwork, I just want you to follow this step. Even though if you're not new to Upwork, just like I myself, there's something I'm going to do on my profile today that will change my profile. Even though I already have running tags, like I already have people who hired me, but I want to improve my revenue so that I'll make more money from this platform. So that's the secret I found out. First of all, let me just say, if you're confused about what you do in order to be like things you can do on Upwork, or you're already doing something but it's not working out for you, this is what I normally do. You guys know that I'm a Flutter engineer, so I build mobile apps for people. Now, so I've gone to Upwork now. I've searched. Just go to upwork.com, then set up your profile. It's very simple. Just set up a freelancer profile. You have something like this. So now I've searched for Flutter. I've seen, because over the time I've noticed that I've not been getting clients more from Flutter gigs. So I've decided to make a deep research on what is happening. So now I've checked this Flutter. I've seen that this guy is top rated, but he has only earned $20,000. So let's just take a look. This person has earned $2,000. He's a Flutter developer, top rated. This person has earned $4,000. $4,000. So this person $4,000. So this person has earned $80,000. So this is the only person I've seen with huge amount of money. All these ones are minor. So if you keep on searching, you see that it seems like the payments here, the money people made here are not much to be compared to this guy. Now let's just check. Let me check React Native. Let me see what we have. So React Native, this company has earned $700K, but don't count it yet. He works for an agency. Let's just see how much independent developers made. $30,000. Okay. So this person has made $50,000, $20,000. So as you guys can see, there's a whole lot of improvement. So it shows that see, this person has made $100,000. So it shows that there is more requests for React developers and Flutter developers. So, but since I have the knowledge of React Native, I'll add it to my profile. That's first. Now, if you're a digital marketer, let's see what people are digital marketing. Let's see what people are earning from digital marketing. This person has earned 400k, man. He's doing good. 10k, 200k, and this is a Nigerian. 200k, 30k, 20k. So this is impressive. So you can write this down, that digital marketing, that you can set up your profile to be a digital marketer. You can just go online, study what digital marketers do, start promoting yourself. Then which other tasks are we going to check? Search engine optimization, WordPress. Okay, let's just look for WordPress. 60,000, 3,000, 3,000, 5,000, 2,000, 20,000, 20,000. So this one is impressive as well. So, copywriting. Let's see. 10k, 20k, 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 so 30k. So guys, I hope you guys understood what we are trying to do. So I think for me, let me just switch back to my portfolio. This is me, this is your one and only Flutter engineer. So this is my profile. So from this Upwork, I got a job that took me off Upwork, where I made pretty money, like that took me off Upwork. The person hired me through this Upwork, and just a moment, let's just move to my messages. So the person hired me from this place there, who worked off Upwork, and I made huge amount of money from it. So I know this is not much, 1k plus, even though I still have running. I have a project that I'm concluding today. Once I conclude it, my listen will increase. So this is my I've seen. Okay, this is it as part front end in developer, Flutter, Swift, Java, React Native, Figma. I don't like it. So now I want to structure it with the help of AI, so that I'll be able to make over $800,000. Okay, let's get started. So these are the messages. These are the people I've been in touch with. So it sounds great. So let's just get started. Now remember, from the research, I'm going to change this. Okay, let's just head over to ChatGPT. I can say I'm a Flutter and React. The reason why I'm adding React has more job offers. React Native developer. Please generate Upwork profile title for me. You can add, let me just add engineer instead of, let's see, suddenly experience. Okay, hope you guys can see. So we have 5 titles here: experienced Flutter and React Native engineer, building cross-platform mobile apps; skilled Flutter and React Native developer, crafting high-quality mobile solutions; Flutter and React Native expert, creating seamless cross-platform mobile experiences; a versatile mobile app developer, proficient in Flutter and React Native, mobile specialist. So I'm going to take this third one. So this is a journey of making. This looks more mature. So this is the journey of making $1 billion. So now for me, I'm changing my work rate. As a starter, you can start with $20. So but I'm gonna move it to 30 first. good to go. So now we will head over to this description. So how do we generate this? Let's just take a look. This is how John made his own to be like. Is it John Joshua? So Joshua's one is like this. So Josh, he first started with the review given to him by a client. So we are going to use this method. We'll drop the first review given to us by a client. Then, but if you don't have a review yet, just use ChatGPT. Just paste it like that. Within few period, you have a task. So now let me just head over to sorry. So you can cancel this. Working with Victor is always amazing. I can't wait to do more with him. Awesome review. So now let's just do it this way. Now you can copy this. Let's just add the star. Cool. Now, next step. You see, Josh profile is really simple, readable, unlike my own. My own was not that. So you can leave this because you are not yet the highest rated developer. So you can start it. I've solved customer facing SQL database. So what you can do is this. You can copy this. Let's try something funny. Okay, these are the reviews given to him. Okay, so now let's move over to ChatGPT. Below is Joshua's profile description on Upwork. Please, can you generate mine for me? I'm an expert Flutter and React native engineer. Then you can paste it now. Alright, let's go. Let's see what ChatGPT can come up. Yes. Wow. Okay. Can you see? It looks. Love it, man. Cool. So you can just copy from here. You can copy from here. So let's just go back to our just give enough space. So now let's just take a look. Let's pass Flutter and React Native Engineer. Are you looking for a skilled Flutter and React Native engineer to create a professional mobile application? Look no further. I specialize in building high quality, performant, and user-friendly mobile apps using Flutter and React Native. With a track record of delivering success. If you are ready to bring your mobile idea to life with expertise of a seasoned Flutter or React Native engineer, let's connect and discuss how we can collaborate. Contact me today to get started. Cool, we are good. So you see, working with Victor is always amazing and can't wait to do more with you. So you see, we have good portfolio here, just like our good man here. So let's just see how do people. Let's just have a public view of how people see this. So guys, I want you guys to make money. It sounds good, man. It looks good whenever you place a withdrawal. I think we are good. So this is it. You see, guys, this is how it looks like. It looks neat, unlike before. Can you see, guys? So these are the things I've done so far. So can you see? So now let me show you guys my jobs. So I have this one. I'm currently working on this project. So I'm submitting the final phase today. So Upwork is really nice. So now I've set up my profile. I can search for Flutter projects. Good skills in Flutter and Flutterwave. Payment unverified. Most times I don't like applying for them. Process on high. Cool. So you guys should be very careful if you're applying for a job. Let it be a job that you can do. Don't apply for a job that you cannot do, because if not, it will affect you. React Native. So 9 minutes ago. So it shows that there are more job opportunities on React Native than 11 minutes ago, as you can see. So guys, you can check for any field. You can check for what's it called, blockchain, anything, content writing. I will show you guys more. So where is this? Just a moment, please. Okay, if you click on this is how you apply. When you read, integrate file store into React. I can do this. I can all do all this. So, or you just click on apply. What is it? You can set up. This is an hourly rate. So the client's budget is $10 to $20. So I can just go down. It's $20 per hour. So you can add your cover letter. So now, how do I generate a unique cover letter? So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this really helped. So nice. I wish you guys a very successful journey. Just like I myself, I know that the next time I'll be doing a video, the price will change. So let's just continue with the hustling. Thank you so much.